Hello friends. Are you confused about the difference between a framework and a library? Don't worry, I'll explain it super simply using taxis and buses. A library is like a taxi. You call it when you need it. You tell it what to do. You control the journey. A framework is like a bus. It has a fixed route and schedule. You follow its journey. You just plug in where it allows. In coding, when you use a library like jQuery or Lodash, you decide when and how to use it. When you use a framework like Angular or Spring, the framework decides when and how your code runs. At the beginner coding level, libraries are usually easier. You have more freedom and fewer rules. At the advanced level, frameworks help manage big projects by giving you a structure to follow. If this made coding a little clearer for you, hit that like button, subscribe, and join me on this easy coding journey.